Today we're going to build characters, and I want you to kind of imagine what we're doing today is kind of like you've got a bunch of, some Lego, or you've got some Play-Doh, or perhaps even like Dr. Frankenstein, you've got like a character laboratory, and we're going to actually build our characters kind of from the feet up in a way. And so I'm going to give you we're going to do some stuff together. I'm going to give you some tips and hints, and I'm going to set you doing some activities that will help you get to know your characters. Because for me, when I first think of a story, a character is like a new kid who's been introduced to class. So if you imagine that, so you're in your class, the teacher says, everybody, this is a new student for our school, and you get to know their name, you know what they look like because you can see them, and then they're asked to sit down. So for me, that's how characters are like when I first think about them. I don't really know much about them. And the fun part of writing is that I'm now going to really get to know them by writing, by asking lots of questions, and by literally building up my character.